The curriculum and flow of the course is orchestrated to support you. Each and every day, you're given tools to help you feel more confident in sharing this technology. We have spent hours and years watching how, when fully supported, students go through the changes necessary to know their true potential. The shedding of old habits and beliefs that are no longer serving you, the support of so many tools for elevation and steadiness allow you to go back to your life and sustain your momentum going forward. Meditating together, teaching each other, learning and growing. An energetic field is built that supports you beyond the course. You become a global family, richly connected from your time spent here. You will leave the course able to teach. This is a wonderful achievement. To share tools of upliftment and to serve those who truly, truly need it builds such a wonderful ground of self-esteem and self-worth, which is an amazing foundation to live from. Sat Nam.